you can't take all the problems together. You tackle one by one, stabilize, and like how in IT, how we work, you get a new RFP, you
Yes.
prepare a 3-year plan,
Yeah,
right?
we go step by step.
So you do your hiring, you have an OJT, you go to BAU state.
Yes.
So as I said, right, I deal with my business as a project manager. So you have to do it. You cannot be a BAU stage on day of hiring.
Yeah, right. Correct.
Likewise, agar aapka from a P&L standpoint, if I have signed on the cake is funding.